Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your Google Pixel 7. And to do this you'll need to get the Google Play Store. Right here try to find Microsoft Edge. Select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open this app. You can sign in to turn on sync or go to the next step, and here you can also enable or disable data sharing preferences. Lastly, set Edge as a default browser, and now finally we can start browsing. So let's open Bing, and as you can see the browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.